This is the XLSXEXCL 2-pack chef apron and hat. Normally we'd take this out of the package, but I think I'm going to just tell you a little bit about it first, then I'll just take it out, put it on, because that way you can better see it. There are 2 hats and 2 aprons in here. The aprons have 2 deep pockets on them. You can put meat thermometers, utensils, recipe cards, stuff like that in there. And it claims to be waterproof as well. The hat has an adjustable elastic band and is made of polyester. Before I put these items on, I just want to point out that it does have, the apron has an adjustable neck strap there, so you can get it at the height that you want. You can see over here one of the pockets and the other one there, and of course, yes, it does have the strings on the back for you to tie it up. As far as the hat goes, the hat is right here just like that, and indeed it has elastic. Now let me put this on. Now, I'm not a model by any stretch of the imagination, but hey, it works, it fits well. It appears the apron is made out of the same type material as the hat, which is polyester, which would make it waterproof as such. It goes on real nice. This is just about right for me as far as the neck strap right out of the package, so that worked. The strings in the back are plenty long enough. You have the pockets, you could just stick, whatever, here's a phone. It goes right in just like that. And you have the hat right there. This is how it comes. You can squish it down and make it poofier and, whatever kind of stuff that you want to do as far as styling that goes. But all around, yeah, a functional yet inexpensive set of 2 aprons and 2 hats from XLSXEXCL. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.